If you love graffiti art, then you definitely love to have an inspiration for your work. Perhaps you want to create an Instagram theme page about graffitis and need a source for images. You can use AI to help you to solve these problems. Let me show you how. This is Stock Image AI, website we are going to use to generate any kind of image that exists in a graffiti style. First, sign into your account or sign up if you don't have one. You can sign up using your Google account. Next, go to Dashboard and create a new project. You can choose the resolution of your choice. This is your project interface. Let's click on Art, then See All to choose our model. In this case, we're going to choose graffiti. Then, choose your dimension, square, vertical or horizontal. Lastly, select how many images you want the AI to create. Let's choose 2, for example. Let's start with a simple prompt. Write a dragon throwing flames and then click on Generate. As you can see, the AI created 2 images because we chose 2 in the beginning. Let's take a closer look at the photos. What if we imagine this dragon soaring above a city? Let's add more details and envision our dragon over an old town this time. Well, our dragon just destroyed an ancient city. So maybe we could like a friendly dragon? Let's try this prompt. A friendly dragon soaring above an ancient town. Look at the dragon's face, it's amazing. Now, let's change the AI with a more challenging prompt. Instead of just one element, we'll ask for a dynamic scene. Type in something like a vibrant city LA filled with graffiti art under a starry night sky. Once again, hit the Generate button and watch the magic that Stock Image AI brings to this imaginative scene. We have an amazing street and a moon in the sky. What if we add some special details on graffiti that's on the street? Let's create some Star Wars graffiti with the same prompt. Let's take a closer look at the image. Okay, it's amazing, but I want some red in the image. So let's try to change the color of the moon. Simple as that. Well, I'm done. As you can see the image generated, you'll notice the incredible diversity and creativity captured in each one. This tool allows you to tailor your prompts to your specific vision, making it a perfect asset for anyone seeking unique and personalized artwork. In Stock Image, you can edit images, add elements to them, and increase the quality of the image up to 4 times. You have the flexibility to make enhancements, add overlays, and elevate the image quality for a more refined visual experience. Download and share. Once satisfied with your creations, simply hit the download button. These high-resolution images are yours to use as you please. Whether it's for personal inspiration, social media content, or even professional projects, Stock Image AI provides a versatile solution for all of your graffiti art needs. Finally, Stock Image AI opens up a world of creative possibilities for graffiti enthusiasts and artists alike. The ability to effortlessly generate unique and personalized images empowers you to take your creative projects to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned graffiti artist looking for fresh ideas or someone eager to start an Instagram theme page, Stock Image AI is the tool that transforms your imagination into reality. So why not give it a try and let your creativity run wild? Sign up today and unlock a universe of artistic inspiration at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, keep creating and exploring the world of graffiti art with Stock Image AI.